Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSc Tech, and today we are going to use iPhone 5s as a dash cam, and for this purpose we will be downloading and using 3 apps from iOS store which are absolutely free. Today we are going to use iPhone 5s with 32 GB of built-in memory, which is fair enough in order to record plenty of videos. As you can see on screen, we have an iPhone 5s which was sitting around for some time, and the apps we have chosen are the dashcam, car cam and the car camera. These 3 apps are absolutely free on iOS stores, and you can also download them on Android Play Store. So talking about the first app first, if you open the dashcam app, the first thing you will notice is the calibration, which you can do or cancel. Then if you look at the overall user interface, it's quite detailed, and you can see plenty of options from the top left hand side towards the top right hand side. We have these 3 dots icon in round circle, and this will take you to this page. In the middle we have settings section. You can change the units of speed from kilometers to mile, and also you can change the minutes of loop recording from 30 or depending on your preference. Then you have video quality from low, medium, high to 480 or 720p, which is max, and then you can choose 60 or 30 frames. Following that, we have an advanced section, a couple of other bits and pieces which you can check. Then we will move towards the car cam app, and this is the most simplest user interface I've ever seen on a dash cam app. The maximum resolution is 1280 by 720, and then on the right hand side you have the video gallery where your recorded videos can be found. And if you hit start, then you will be on this page. And a plus point about the car cam app is you can record both ways, which means you can use the front or the rear cameras. And this will be very handy if you want to record your rear side while you drive. For example, if you have 2 devices, you can use one for the front and one for the rear. And then the third app is called car camera. Again, the interface is very cool, very straightforward. The best thing about this application is it gives you options to record 1920 by 1080p, which is full HD. And then you have a couple of other options, video recording length, then you have the loop recording time, and in the display section you have time format, text color, units from miles to kilometers, and then statistics, which gives you the overall picture of your available memory. So these are the available videos which we have recorded recently, and the live recording button takes only 1 tick, and then you have to click on the record. For the safe side, I'm not going to use my both hands, and for this purpose I am using a case and a magnet phone holder. On the back of my phone we have attached a magnetic plate, and all I'm going to do is use my left hand to just stick my phone to my phone holder, and then I can open one app with my left hand. So basically the whole idea is to make it a single-handed operation app. So few video samples I'm going to show you that we have recorded. The first one is with the dash cam, and as you can see that on screen that the maximum resolution is 720p. A rainy day, but quite good quality video which we have recorded. As you can see, everything is crystal clear. On the bottom left hand side you will see the date and the time stamp, which will give you extra benefits. And following that we have a speedometer which shows 0 miles per hour because we were not using any SIM data. The second app we are talking about is car cam. As you can see on screen, the video quality is acceptable, it's not that bad. The maximum resolution goes from 30 frames to 1280 by 720p, and it does not record full HD videos, but this is acceptable, and the video quality is much better than the third-party recorders. So guys, then finally on the list we have iOS car camera app, which gives you options to record 1920 by 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second, which means it's a full HD video recording experience. You get time and date stamp on the top left hand side of the screen. Then you have speedometer as well as GPS coordinate tags. The reason we are focusing on this app is the first thing is it's absolutely free. You can download on Android and iOS devices. The video quality output is excellent, and in case you need any physical evidence, this is going to be very handy. You can definitely enjoy this app as compared to the previous ones. And I hope you have liked the video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.